Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Abner from LeoK14 and this is a unboxing video of the Xbox One Halo the Master Chief Collection edition. So this console comes with a Halo Master Chief Collection game. It's a download. So let's get started with the opening. Okay. There it is. Okay, let's take all the foam out. And okay, right here we have this. Okay, so we have the quick setup guide, the Halo Master Chief Collection game. It's downloadable. We have some live gold and more manuals, which are very important. And okay, let's put that to the side. Right here, start with the controller. We have the Xbox One wireless controller. Looks nice. I like it. What else do we have here? We have the okay, we have AA batteries. Right here we have the HDMI cable. Okay, so it comes with an HDMI cable. Well, it looks good. Like it too. Right here we have the power cable. We have the headset for the Xbox One. Okay, here it is. Xbox. There we go. And we have the power brick. Looks pretty big. Yep, there we go, Xbox. I like it. And let's get to the console. Okay, so we have the console right here. Get to open it. Wow, it looks pretty awesome. Well, I like it. Look at the finish right there. You have the vents, the power button, the eject button to the side, the sync button, a USB port, and in the back we have the power supply, the HDMI out, the HDMI in, two USB cables, the port for the Kinect, an IR out receiver, and the Ethernet cable, of course. Okay guys, this is it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys pretty soon.